girl Miss Shares. If you haven't subscribed, please click the link below and subscribe. If you're new here, I say welcome. So you guys, today I'm just going to be blabbing. Please do go in the comment section and tell me what you think about this topic we're going to talk about, because I really want to know your opinion, you guys. So please don't forget to like, comment and share. I love you guys. Okay, so last night I was just thinking about the small things that makes the rich people stay rich and the small things that make the poor people stay poor. I don't know if I'm making sense. Okay, so I was reading a story about a guy that gave 2 chickens to 2 people. So he gave a chicken to one. So this one took the chicken and said, if I eat it with my family, we'll be fine. And then the other person who had this chicken, they decided they are going to keep the chicken until it hatches, then they'll sell the eggs, and then they'll eat some of the eggs and invest some of the eggs in a form of selling them, etc. So the one that had the chicken and ate, it just finished there, they ate and it died there. Then this one who kept the chickens to hatch, and the chickens also multiplied, they started having eggs, he ended up selling chickens and eggs and so on. So he grew his business. So I related to this in a form of, I asked myself, all these years I've been in university, I've been braiding people's hair, I've been doing nails, I've been doing this and that to make money. All the money I've made, what did I do with it? Guys, no lies, no stories. I bought shoes. I bought shoes and food. Like, I would sell eyelashes today. When I get the money, I order Nando's. I'm telling you guys, like, real talk. So I asked myself, if I had saved all that money, where will I be right now? Because that's years of shoes and Nando's, and most of the shoes I've given them away. Some of them I don't wear them anymore, I don't like them. Like, literally, I wasted so many resources that would have taken me from point A to point B. And one thing that I realized, it's never too late to correct the mistakes that you've done before. You guys, like, yo, I'm telling you right now, the little you make, no matter how small, if you save it, multiply and invest it, you will be somewhere right now. Because the problem that most of us have, especially us people that are leaving the university, what do they call them, fresh graduates, we always in university and we tell ourselves, as soon as I graduate, I'm going to get a job. Let's not lie to each other. When we are now in the working environment, they'll tell you they want 5 years experience. You have literally internship as experience. So we need to be innovative. We need to find other ways we can make money. Like, have your small business while you're looking for a job. Because guys, I won't lie to you, like, I'm finishing my master's and I've been asking myself, so after your master's, what's your plan B? I've been putting my CV everywhere with my degree to see if I can get something before I'm done with my master's. Guys, there's no interview, there's no luck, and Corona made things worse. Though business is still moving, when I'm selling the things I sell, business is still moving. So yes, I have here and there. So right now I've started collecting all that profit to multiply it, not to spend it like I used to before. So I'm here to ask you guys, as fresh graduates, to those that have recently graduated and to those that have graduated many years before, how did you deal with leaving university to starting your life? Because guys, for me right now, I'm pretty confused, because this job hunting, I know I might be lucky, I might get it here or there, but I have so many friends who've been even talking about this that graduated with me during degree and they're just sitting at home. So I guess your comment section can help everyone to know. For me, my advice is, instead of sitting at home, start a little business. Learn how to do nails, learn how to do hair, do this and that to make a little income while you are still looking for a job. Let's have the mindset of being entrepreneurs, because it doesn't hurt for you to work and have a business on the side. Let's have the mindset of being entrepreneurs. Let's start our own something, our own companies, our own business, we will also provide employment. Because if right now 5 of us start companies, how many people are we going to employ? That's a stepping stone for others. So my advice is, guys, let's start businesses, and let's stop spending the money we receive. There's so many people that are not making it in life. Why? Because if they have 1,000 ringgit, they'll go buy Gucci, Versace, they'll go do this. They end up forgetting that they haven't multiplied that money. They've not bought a house. They concentrate on buying things that depreciate than things that appreciate. So that will always keep you on one position. You will never grow to be something. Up till now, I tell you, Bill Gates is still investing, and imagine how much he has. But us, with the little, we spend it and we forget to invest it. So today I'm here to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, the little money you get, let's save and build ourselves. There's no one who wake up and give you money and tell you this is capital, start your business. Lie. You have to work for it. You have to do it for yourself. So guys, today I just have a short advice for everyone. Guys, let us try as much as we can to build ourselves. The little money we have, let's invest and grow it. Let's not spend it on things that will not benefit us tomorrow. I'm not saying don't buy shoes. I'm not saying don't pop champagne, but pop champagne with extra. Like, if it's an example, if you have $100 take $20 for spending $80, multiply it. You realize that the next month you have 200, the next month you have 300. Even your spending capacity will also increase. So what I'm saying is, live the life that you've built. Don't live a lie as a life. I don't know if you get me. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll always say I love you guys. Keep smiling. Happiness is for free. Love ya.